Hey, gorgeous. Just want to take a minute and say hey. Hanging out. Had an awesome time at the movie. I only cried 5 or 6 times. It was awesome. Say hey to Mr. Maximus. Say hello. Hanging out listening to some tunes. Went and grabbed her food earlier. Roses are freaking gorgeous, man. I'm gonna grill out burgers here in a bit. Hope you have a fantastic night, Mama. Thanks for the gorgeous day. I look forward to spending some time with you. Take care, honey. Sooner than later. Bye for now.